Hey guys, it is Freddy Baca here with CJ 21 ABC, and it just snowed. Why don't you tell us a little bit about that, CJ?
It's the first snow that sticks, but the second snow of the year.
Yep.
Where we live.
The first snow of the year was this February.
November, yeah.
February. But yeah, here, let's move over into the light over here. And that's his house with the retarded snowman. Right, CJ? Okay. Well, CJ and I just cleared this off. But if you guys want to make some money during the winter, here are some tips. You can go around like people's your neighborhood and stuff and shovel their driveway if they want. Like their driveway over there. It's so snowy. It's right that.
School may be closed tomorrow, so we're gonna go do that.
Yeah, we're probably gonna go do that first. Maybe depends if they want to shovel like the whole their driveway over there. They have
two snow plows.
They have a big driveway, so we're probably gonna get like $10 each out of that one, maybe $5.
They have a snow plow.
Yeah, but I don't think the snow plow's I don't think there's enough snow for that.
No, there is. They have a giant one meant for a lot of snow and a very tiny one.
We're probably just gonna use the.
If it snows more, then we're probably gonna go. Hey.
Yeah, didn't your mom say
they'll pay us to use their own snowplow that they could have used themselves?
Probably we're gonna use that. Not the snowplow. Probably just gonna shovel it. But
it's very high tomorrow.
But didn't your mom say that it's gonna snow a lot more tonight?
Yeah.
So, yeah, go America. Ooh, American flag. Charge a snowman. Yeah, so let's go take a little walk. Whoa, I almost fell. That would have been bad. Whoosh, whoosh. I just made those. And then we could go whoosh, 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 whoosh. There we go. Alright, well. Here, hold the camera. Look it over here.
It's pitch black over where you are on the camera.
It is?
Yeah. There's no image except the lights in the background.
Can you even see me at all?
No. Just a tiny bit, like your legs. No, only your shoes now. Oops. If you could see that, angle it a bit. Yep. There's letters in the snow. I could see it if you can make it out. Guys, what do you think this says? Personally, I think it says subscribe.
Yeah, it does. Right here. S U B S R C R I B E. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you later, guys. Bye.